Hello friends, today I am telling about complex number. When equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0, then x square is equal to minus 1. But every square number is the root real numbers. But there is x is equal to plus minus square root minus 1. Then their roots are imaginary roots written by plus minus iota. The value of iota is equal to square root of minus 1. Value of iota square is equal to iota into iota. Then square root of minus 1 into square root of minus 1 is equal to value of minus 1. Then value of iota 3 is equal to iota square into iota is equal to value of iota square is minus 1 into iota is equal to minus iota. The value of iota 4 is equal to iota square into iota square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of iota is equal to minus 1 square root iota square minus 1 iota 3 minus iota 4 is equal to 1. Next, we have to solve the power of I. For example, iota is equal to power of 19. Then how to solve? Then take this power of 4. Iota 4 into 4 plus 3. The value of iota 4 is equal to 1. Power of 4 into iota 3. Then is equal to iota 3. The value of iota 3 is equal to minus iota. Similarly, if we solve the power of iota into 32 is equal to iota is equal to 4 into 8. The value of iota 4 is equal to 1 into 8 is equal to 1. Similarly, if we take the value of iota is equal to 1302, then how to solve? Then we take last two digits of power 02. When we divide this number, then this number 1300 power of 4 into iota square 02 divided by 4, then remainder is 2, then power of iota 2. The value of iota 4 is equal to 1 into iota square value of minus 1. Then value of this equation minus 1. Next we take the equation of complex number. Z is equal to A plus iota B. A is real part of Z and B is the imaginary part of Z. When we comparing two equations, then Z1 is equal to A1 plus iota B1. Z2 is equal to A2 plus iota by B2. Then we compare Z1 is equal to Z2. Then how to solve? Then we take real part is equal to real and imaginary part is equal to imaginary. A1 is equal to A2. B1 is equal to B2. For example, Z1 is equal to 3 plus iota 5 and Z2 is equal to x plus iota y. When we comparing Z1 is equal to Z2, then take real part is equal to real, imaginary part is equal to imaginary. Next, similarly, we add two complex numbers z1 plus z2. Then how to solve? Take example, z1 is equal to 9 plus eta 3, z2 is equal to 1 plus eta 2. Then we add z1 plus z2 is equal to real part z1 plus z2 plus imaginary part z1 plus z2. The real part of z1 9 plus real part of z2 1 plus iota real part of imaginary part of z1 is equal to 3 and imaginary part of z2 is equal to 2. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus iota 5. Similarly, if we solve z1 minus z2, subtraction is done same way. Real part of z1 minus z2 plus iota, imaginary part z1 minus z2. Real part is 9 and z2 1. Nine minus 1 plus iota. Imaginary part of z1 is equal to 3 and z2 is equal to 2. Then 3 minus 2. 9 minus 1 8 plus iota. 3 minus 2 1. Then 8 plus iota. So thank you for watching my video.